Change cities, institutional responses and reforms, AP European History, topic 6.9. Initially, liberalism in Europe was synonymous with laissez-faire, emphasizing minimal state interference in economic affairs. Figures like Adam Smith in Britain advocated for this economic freedom. However, the harsh realities of the Industrial Revolution, such as worker exploitation and poor living conditions, necessitated a shift. Governments began embracing interventionist policies, influenced by thinkers like John Stuart Mill, who argued for a balance between individual freedom and social welfare. Urban reforms. The rapid urban growth, a direct result of industrialization, led to significant challenges. Governments and institutions responded with several key reforms. Perhaps most importantly, we have modernizing infrastructure. Sewage and water systems, inspired by Edwin Chadwick's report on sanitary conditions, cities like London developed extensive sewage systems. Public lighting. The introduction of gas and electric lighting, first seen in Paris, improved safety and extended productive hours. Public housing. To combat the squalor of slums, cities like Vienna introduced social housing projects. Urban redesign. Paris, under Napoleon III and George Haussmann, underwent significant restructuring to improve living conditions and beautify the city. Parks. The creation of parks, like London's Hyde Park, provided green spaces for public health and recreation. Public transportation. London's Underground, the world's first subway system, improved urban mobility. Key figures. Edwin Chadwick and George Haussmann were notable figures in pushing for these reforms. Regulating public health. Governments introduced regulations following the model set by Germany's Bismarck, who initiated social welfare programs. Prison reform. Influenced by the ideas of reformers like Elizabeth Fry and John Howard, efforts were made to improve prison conditions. Modern police forces. Inspired by Sir Robert Peel's establishment of the Metropolitan Police in London, modern police forces became a standard feature in cities. What different forces contributed? Public opinion. Influenced by works like Charles Dickens's novels, which highlighted urban poverty and injustice, public opinion strongly favored reforms. Prominent individuals, figures like Florence Nightingale in healthcare reform, played pivotal roles as well. Charity organizations. Groups like the Salvation Army highlighted social issues and provided aid, encouraging government action. Education reforms. Compulsory education laws, like those in Prussia, became widespread. These reforms aimed to promote literacy, national unity, and a skilled workforce, essential for industrial economies. These responses and reforms illustrate the profound transformation of European societies due to industrialization. This era marked a significant shift in governance, from laissez-faire to more interventionist policies, laying the groundwork for modern social welfare states. What would help our society the most now? Tell us in the comments, share the video, like it, and subscribe for more.